In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to get Opay refer and earn award. So for you to get Opay refer and earn award, you have to be someone that used to refer people to sign up on Opay in order to get the award. So let me walk you through the page so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So right here you can see main down below. So if I click on main right here, then I scroll all the way down, I guess there's one particular page where you can actually see all the people that you have referred to Opay, for example. So let me click on home page, then let me scroll the way down. I guess it's in one particular site. I'm going to click on more. Let me search for refer, for example. Refer. Alright, so you can see refer and earn. So if I click on that, it's gonna take me down to this page. Sorry, during the last tax you earn 0 cash. Of course, I didn't refer anybody. So you can see refer and get paid. Refer one person to get 800 naira. Refer two people to get 1,800. Probably that's 800 naira, 900 naira each. And then if you refer 3 people, you're gonna get 3,000 naira. So you have to be someone that refer people to this platform before you can actually earn any award. So the award, I think, it actually happen once in a year. So if you are one of the people that refer the highest people to Opay, you're gonna earn the reward. So you can start now, and you also earn money. The more people you refer, the more money you're gonna make from Opay refer and earn award. So that is how you can actually go about it. So to get your own referral link, so just click on share invitation link. I can send it to as much people as you like. You can also promote it any way you like. All what just matter is getting the right people to sign up using your referral link, and then you're gonna earn the commission just like that.